Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the cards with you. We've got quite a few tarot cards. First of all, the Strength card, followed by the Magician card. And then we've got the Five of Wands. And I wanted to know what that was all about. And I've pulled two clarifiers. So first of all, we've got the Seven of Pentacles with the Nine of Wands. So let's have a look. First of all, the Strength card. What I get from this is our inner reserves. So because this is your inner strength, your inner power, your inner light. So for some of you, when I look at all of the cards together, especially when we jump into the clarifiers like the Seven of Pentacles, for example, this is about waiting. So for some of you, whatever it is you've been doing or working towards or working on, you're not quite there yet. You're not at the end of the road. You haven't quite finished. We've said that quite a lot, haven't we? That can go for goals that you're trying to achieve, objectives, dreams, desires you're wanting to get to, or it could just be a transformation that you're going through. But anyway, what they're saying with this, for this particular week, is you really need to draw on your inner reserves, your inner strength, your inner light, your inner magnificence. And for some of you, you need to dig deep. That's what I'm getting actually, because I need to jump into the Magician card. The Magician is you just about to make the leap, just about to jump. You've been working on it. You've been in the background for some of you. It could be studying, it could be retraining, it could be putting a business together, it could be designing a product or a service. You've been in the background, and this Magician comes along when you are getting so close to opening the doors, taking the jump, making the leap, saying to the world, this is who I am. And this is something else that can be going on. Been working on yourself for some of you in the background, and now you're just about to share with the world who you truly are. This is me. This is what I'm about. Here are my unique gifts. This is why I'm in this lifetime. This is my mission. And the Magician always comes along when you're just about to do that. So for some of you, you might be taking the leap during this week, or it might be a signal or a sign for you that it is coming really close for you. I love the Magician because when you make the leap and you make the jump, it's you being more true to yourself, you being doing things that are in line with your heart and soul, you know, something that it's really important to you, and you're like, yes, this is who I am. So a lot of happiness, a lot of joy, a lot of contentment around making the leap that the Magician signifies. Now, interestingly, sometimes with the Magician, we can be holding back, we can be procrastinating, and what they're just giving me is, yeah, I'm just listening, making sure I get it all. Don't try and make sure that everything's perfect. Just don't do it. You've got to make the leap and jump now. If you try and get all of your ducks in a row, all of the details, everything perfect, everything mapped out, it's just not like that. The world is speeding up and getting quicker and quicker and quicker. And the world needs your business, needs your skills, needs you, the real you. It needs it now, not in 6 months, in 9 months, in 12 months time. It needs it now. So this is a stop procrastinating. It doesn't always work for everyone, so it might not always resonate for you, because you might be taking the leap this week. But if you're holding back, if you're saying, oh, I'm not ready yet, oh, I'll just read that book, oh, I'll just go on that course, oh, I'll just, you know, they're saying, no, do it now. And oh, I'm getting it. I'm getting different levels and layers now, guys. This last card here for the week, this Five of Wands, sometimes can mean a battle or some sort of competition with people outside of you, like your family or friends or in the workplace. There's some conflict. differences of opinion, maybe. So that may be for some of you. But for others, what I'm getting the sense of is the digging deep and just jumping for it, going for it. But what's happening inside? This conflict is inside, because some of you are going, I'm not quite ready yet. This is what this means. I'm not quite ready yet. I've got to do this other course. I need to read a few more books. I need to do, whatever, practice on a few clients for free or whatever it is. And you see, this is the waiting, the waiting, the waiting, the waiting. And for some of you, you are keeping yourself waiting. You are procrastinating. You're not jumping. And the world needs you and your skills and what you've got to offer now. So it just feels like take the leap, make the jump, make the move, make the call, say yes, whatever it is you've got to do to push yourself out there. Because this conflict, this waiting, this patience, this I'm not quite there yet, a lot of you for this week it's in you. That is all coming from inside of you. There's a part of you that's a little bit frightened, a little bit worried, a little bit scared, of making the leap and jump. But the magician is saying, you can pull this off. You can absolutely do it. So don't hesitate anymore. Go for it. I hope it's a great week. Thank you so much for watching.